Hey guys, if you're wondering, this really crappy footage is filmed on my laptop webcam, so that's why it's so bad, but we're gonna pretend like it's the vintage feel. I edited like this, you know, it's the aesthetic, but my life has been kind of a mess right now. If you've noticed, I haven't been posting because I haven't been posting like randomly, but I had finals, and then after finals was done, I drowned my phone and my freaking camera. As you can see, it's completely ruined. There's no reviving it. And then if you'd like to take a look at my phone, if you'd like to see its burial grounds, here it is. It's here in dried rice. What in the world, right? Yeah, because I'm trying to get the water out, but RIP, 1 like equals 1 prayer. So, yeah, oh my god, why is it so blue? Hello? Anyways, oh my god, it looks so creepy. I feel like I'm in a ghost movie. Do I look like The Grudge? Anyways, yeah. I'm trying to get a new phone, but I'm going to America in a few days. Yes, I'm going to America for summer vacation, which is really exciting, but hopefully I get a new phone and I can make more videos. But this is the video I've recovered from my Google Photos. Thank God for Google Photos. So, yeah, but I don't know what to do, and I haven't been posting on Instagram because I can't, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hey guys, so a lot of these clothings are from Japan, so I don't know if you guys would know where to even get them, but a lot of these were also in my Thrift With Me video, which I'll put a card for, but my top is from Uniqlo, I have this necklace from my aunt, and my skirt was all in the video, and then my belt is from Amazon. It's kind of useless, and then here's me with my sick moves. And also here's a close-up, no one asked for it, but here's my pearl necklace and my plain white tee. You guys remember that band? Hey there, Delilah. And then here's my denim skirt with my useless belt, and yeah, it's just a look, I guess. Everyone wears these denim skirts. How many times have you seen these denim skirts? So this shirt is from Urban Outfitters, and I have to wear this nude tank top underneath even though it looks like someone else's skin is coming out of me or something. But it's just so see-through. I don't know why they do that, but I'm thinking of just hanging it because it's just too see-through because I like the art. But yeah, this is just me being goofy. And here are these jeans that I wear all the dang time, but I can't wear them anymore because global warming is real and it's really hot everywhere, so I'm just gonna have to wait till the winter time. I actually really like this outfit. I think it's so cute. This top is from Mousy. It's blue and white striped off the shoulder. I don't really wear off the shoulder that much in Japan, but I thought this was cute, and the bottoms are super trendy in Japan, like these types of like baggy stuff. There's not many jeans wearers, so I decided to be a sheep and follow the trend, so this is my outfit. So here is a close-up. I'm wearing the same necklace again, and yeah, this is how it looks close up. And these pants I got from like a local small shop where I get a lot of my clothes, and it looks like a diaper in the back. Honestly, I have not looked at the back yet, so I'm a little shaken up right now. It kind of has paper bag vibes, but it's okay. I feel like this outfit makes me look like some secret agent. I don't know, probably not, but yeah, this is really dark. I realize this dark outfit, but you know. Top was in my thrifting video, jeans are from Urban, and these amazing choreographed skills are by me. Does this make anyone else uncomfortable? Like, it makes me look like some weird creature. Here's my last outfit. I think I like this combo. I wear this a lot. I wear khaki shorts a lot because I have two of the same looking ones. But these are my super high-waisted, super mom-looking shorts. They look like I'm either going on like a long hike and I'm I don't know, Norie the Explorer, or just like a straight up mom, but I just like to fold it up because it looks a little better. Like that video, I am sweaty and gross. So like, comment, subscribe, check out the description, and I'll talk to you guys later.